Hello. I had a 10-year-old chair that I threw out because basically it was pretty disgusting to sit on the thing. So in the meantime I've been using this chair, which is from a children's piano set, and it has one problem. Every time I sit on it, it does this, which is a bit annoying. So I think it's about time I got a nice new one. So hello. This is the unboxing of the Secretlab Titan SoftWeave in charcoal blue. PC computer / gaming chair. It comes in quite a big box, so let's get it open and see what's inside it, shall we? That. Right. Some warnings. Caution: do not touch backrest recline lever while removing from box. Yeah, they're quite keen to stress that, so let's just be a bit careful. Get rid of the knife. Congratulations, you are now the owner of a brand new Secretlab chair. You are just steps away from your ultimate seating experience. Flip this sheet over and you'll find a quick guide to assembling your Secretlab chair. I recommend you checking out the assembly video as well for even more detailed visual instructions. Get a friend. Right, okay. There's a little hologram there, so it's been hand inspected. So that's just, oh, there we are. So there's a pretty comprehensive guide to building it. So I'll just leave that there so you can have a look. So it's quite a visual thing about putting it all together. So let's just put that out of the way. Welcome home to comfort. Secretlab access. Let's find out what's in here. And it is warranty information, aftercare, Secretlab access kit. Oh, I think I was meant to pull that. Pull it out separately. That's meant to sit in there. Let's triumph over style over practicality, I think. So that sits in there. This is how you're supposed to open it. Oh look, Secretlab access kit. Ooh. That's what you're supposed to do. Aftercare and warranty thing. Get that out of the way. Put it up there. Massive bit of foamy stuff. Get that out of the way as well. Right, how am I going to do this? I don't really know. That's the chair. So inspected and sealed. So lift this out. So that's the back of it. Get that there, out of the way again. So it's all kind of bagged up. That's the head sort of cushiony bit, isn't it? And then another massive great bit of foam padding, which I'll just chuck out the way. Right. That's obviously the base of it. We attach the wheels. Can't run out of room a bit really, but yeah, we'll keep going. Another bit of foam. Get that out of the way. Right, caution, do not touch backrest recliner lever or remove from box. Is that because it will smash me in the face if I do? So I'll grab it by the handle, armrest instead. Oh, that's got a bit of weight to it. I've got nowhere to put it. Let's kick that a bit. And then, oh, quite heavy. Put that there. Take off the various foamy bits. And that is actually it for that. So we've got this bit here. Oh, this isn't great, is it? Let's just twiddle it. Oh, God. Twiddle it round. What does it look like on? Can you see it? Yeah, you can sort of see it, can't you? So that's the accessories box. I've actually got a big hole punched through it from this bit. That bit there. So that's quite a substantial bit of metal. So we'll put that on there. So the accessories box has had a big old punch through it in transit. So we'll see if that's damaged anything. And that is, I think, it. Right, so what we'll do is I'll stop filming now and get this big box out of the way. That's a bit better with the box out of the way. Let's see what's in the accessories box. Contents: Secretlab toolkit, Allen key, M8 screws and washers, reversible Phillips hex screw bit, magnetic screwdriver handle, lever handles for multi-tilt only, hydraulic piston, hydraulic sleeve, side covers, and the wheels. So that's going to be, oh, they've got magnets on. That's covers for something. And there are the wheels. I'll get that out of the way. Move that little cushion. That's a very nice little toolkit. So you've got the screws and things, and then there's the various little tools. That's actually quite nice because it's got the round end on it, so that makes doing hex bolts a lot easier. That's the plastic cover for the piston, and there's the piston itself. Quite a substantial bit of kit, that, I think. Put that back in. That's a handle. So that's what's in the accessories kit. Nothing else in there, is there? So that's essentially it unboxed. So it's all very nicely packed in. The hole that was punctured by that metal bit there went right through and sort of pierced that as well, look. But there was nothing, rather cleverly, it hasn't damaged anything. It's gone right through, because I can put my finger through there. So it's had a bit of a, it's probably the weakest part of it, but it didn't, because they were quite clever and used that for that, it hasn't actually damaged anything. So yeah, so that's pretty good. So yeah, so there's quite a lot of pieces. So what I'll do is I'll build it, and then obviously we'll see what it looks like. We'll have a look at the assembly guide, which is not something you can lose because it's quite big, and sort of see how it all fits together. I'm not going to bother filming the assembly because obviously you can watch that on, well, Secretlab do their own videos, don't they? So yeah, you can obviously stop watching this video if you want now, but I'll add a little bit at the end. But yeah, liking and subscribing is always appreciated. If you've got any comments, then stick them in the comments. That's fine. I reply to all comments. And thanks for watching. I guess that sort of building it on the hottest day of the year was probably not the best idea. because I'm a bit hot at the moment. All the windows are open, but you know, we don't have air conditioning where I am for the 5 days a year where it is actually hot. So yeah, so here it is, but it is surprisingly easy to build. I was quite impressed by the clarity of the instructions. The little toolkit obviously has everything you need. Yeah, first thing is a quick look at the armrest, and there's a very nice button there which does the up and down. There's a tiny button there which does the forward and back. There's also another button there which does the side to side. One thing I particularly liked was there's some covers here, and they're magnetic, so that's kind of nice. There's a little twisty thing there which is the lumbar support. You can't see it, but that bit there is sort of coming out to support the base of the back area, so that's kind of nice. So we'll just sit in it and we'll see how we get on. It's very comfortable and nice. I'll pull the handle and it sort of goes back quite a long way. Is that locked? Yeah, that's locked. It's actually quite nice. And then I'll just bring it back up again. You don't get slammed in the back like you do with some chairs. There's the control here, which is the up and down. So that's the up. So I've got big dangly legs like a toddler now, so that's quite good. And I can just press that and adjust them to the right height. These go backwards and forwards, and they go in and out, and they also go up and down. So we've got quite a good. And then there's one down here which does the sort of tilt mechanism. Ooh, like that. So that's kind of like whee. That's kind of fun actually. Oh, back the door. So yeah, that's quite, yeah, so they've got that sort of springy sort of little rodeo thing going on with that. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so that locks in. So you can, that is not comfortable. So let's flick that again. And then lock it in. That's going to, oh, no, that's not comfortable either. Ah, that is. How we like on the wheels and the carpet. Whee! Yeah, the wheels are quite, it would work better on a harder surface, so it's a bit heavy going on carpet. Yeah, so it's hot. Any hope you like it anyway. So any comments, stick them in the comments. Any liking and subscribing is always appreciated. Never let it be said that I don't suffer for doing this. And as ever, thanks for watching.